Hello everybody. Uh, Guys, I am Rekha from In Fashion. We are in Rammurthy Nagar. Okay, Rekha and Rishi, two of us are handling here. So these are Avasa and Fusion kurtis. All latest new models have come in this, guys. Previously also we have uploaded many videos, and thank you for all your responses previously what you have given it to us. Okay, so in this video now I'm going to show you guys some new collections which have arrived with us. Okay, all time stock available, guys, all over India. Courier facilities available, and we give much preference to all the resellers. We have a separate resellers group where you can join, and single pieces also we ship for the resellers who give regular orders. Okay, shipping and all we will send by air, courier. And these kurtis for resellers we'll give it single piece also at 280 plus shipping. Okay, shipping will be 100 rupees per kg. Okay, so these are some of the new collections which I'll keep showing it to you guys in between when I talk. These are some new collections. You can see all beautiful collections have come. New current showroom prints of all the kurtis. Okay, for resellers 280 plus shipping, and for customer if you are buying like two kurtis 300 rupees each. Above 4 kurtis, even for everybody 280 rupees only. Okay, you can come to the shop directly. We are in Rammurthy Nagar. You can come anytime, all time open, 11 to 9:30, all days. Okay, these are all different collections which have come. You can see. Okay, wholesalers can contact us directly. Anytime stock available, guys. You can keep have a look at the stock. Anytime stock available. This is nothing. We have one more space where inside all stock will be available. Umbrella top, daily wear 499 MRP kurtis, leggings, plazos, all you will get every time stock available. Okay, so these kurtis will be available. All this stock also available anytime. You can call us. Rishi or Rekha, any of us will receive the call and we will guide you guys. Okay, so for resellers we have a separate group also. You guys can anytime contact us, and for resellers preference will be given. Anybody wants to buy about 10-15 kurtis, video call facility available. For 1 or 2 pieces, video call not available, guys. I am clearing once again. For 1 or 2 pieces, no video call. Only above 15-20 kurtis, video call facility also available. Okay, you can check. These are all new current showroom prints. Anytime stock available. Even if you want 500,000 pieces, you can contact us. Okay, apart from this, we have got umbrella tops also, leggings, plazo, which will be available all the time. Okay. ठीक है guys, so I will also tell in हिंदी में भी बहुत कस्टमर्स बोलते हैं कि आप जो बोलते हो समझ में नहीं आता है. तो ये सारी जो है शोरूम की कुर्तीज है अवसा एंड फ्यूजन ब्रांड की, ये आपको सिर्फ मिलेगी 280 प्लस शिपिंग में. ओके, 499 इनका MRP रहेगा. ये सब आपको मिलेगी 280 प्लस शिपिंग. ठीक है, मिनिमम आपको 4 पीस मिनिमम लेना पड़ेगा. शॉप में एनी टाइम आ सकते हैं. 11 to 9:30 PM, ऑल डेज ओपन. एनी टाइम कोई भी आ सकता है. ठीक है, ऑल ओवर इंडिया शिपिंग अवेलेबल. ओके, फॉर रीसेलर सिंगल पीसेस शिपिंग ऑल्सो अवेलेबल. ठीक है, यू कैन सी दीज आर सम न्यू कलेक्शंस, ऑल अवसा एंड फ्यूजन 499 MRP kurtis. Okay, so these are some of the kurtis, guys. All stock is available. You can call us anytime. Okay, now I'll show you guys some umbrella tops also. Every week we have umbrella tops, new collections coming. Every week you will keep getting different collections, guys. You can check. See, very beautiful umbrella top. So like this umbrella top, every week we will get new collections. So if you join our group, we will keep updating every week our new collections to you guys. You can take, you can resell. Okay, we will send a courier with your name to your customers. See, this is a different Kimaira brand, but very beautiful embroidered kurtis, umbrella tops. You can check this, guys. You can call us, you can message us, WhatsApp us. Okay, if you don't get a reply, please wait, guys, or you can ping us once again. there are so many calls which are coming now, so we are not able to attend everybody's messages or call. So you can ping us once again. We will surely reply you guys. Okay, you can check, these are all umbrella tops, boat cut top, fish cut top. Every week collection will keep coming, and you can see the colors available, guys. All different new color pattern keeps coming every week in umbrella tops. This kind of collections you're not going to get anywhere, because we are giving all different color combinations, everything. See, this is a fish cut top. Okay, S to XXL, all sizes will be available, but same particular piece will not be available in all the sizes, guys. So if you ping us, we will send you the latest video, you can select from that. Okay, this is a kaftan. This is also Fusion branded. Okay, these are all 999 MRP, 1299 MRP. This also wholesale, retail both available, guys. See, anytime you can call us. Collar and waist belt. Okay, this is a different brand, our Kimaira brand. Very beautiful rayon material. Okay, you can call us, guys. We will surely entertain all the calls for wholesale and retail. Thank you, guys.